Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make your Instagram private. So if you want to make your Instagram private, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, now you have to click on your profile icon from the right bottom. Once you will do it, here you will see different options, so you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Now go to the settings from here. Once you will do it, here you will see different options, so you have to click on the privacy, and in the privacy you will see private account option, so you have to turn this or toggle on like this. So this is the procedure to make your account private. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.